The question asked, in exercises 85 through 88, the function s of t describes the motion of a particle moving along a line. For each function, a, find the velocity function of the particle at any time when t is more than or equal to 0. B, identify the time intervals when the particle is moving in a positive direction. And C, identify the time intervals when the particle is moving in a negative direction. And D, identify the times when the particle changes its direction. So the function is s of t equals t squared minus 7t plus 10. To find the velocity function of the particle, you take the first derivative, which is 2t minus 7. And that was A. And B, identify the time intervals when the particle is moving in a positive direction. So the slope of the first derivative would be positive. You set it equal to 0. So then t equals 7 over 2. And then you draw a little timeline. And then you plug in numbers, so I'll just plug in 1. And that would be a negative number. And then I'll plug in 8 over 2, and that would be a positive number. So then it would kind of go like that. So it's positive right here, and that would be 7 over 2 to infinity. That's part B. And then part C, it would be negative from 0 to 7 over 2. And then D, identify the times when the particle changes its direction. So again, you set the first derivative equal to 0, like we did here. 0 equals 2t minus 7. And t is 7 over 2. And that's where it changes its direction.